At AM, we have a wide variety of blades to suit your every need. However, for general purposes and everyday use, we use the 45 degree. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to install it. So all we need to do is we go to our blade holder. Once we have our blade holder in hand and we've removed our protective casing from our blade, we press the back pin in, drop our blade in, just like that, release, and once turned around, even then, the blade will not slip. Once you've locked your blade firmly in place, you use your two rings. The bottom ring allows you to extrude your blade. You only want it enough that it just protrudes over the top layer. You can take your finger and run it across. However, if it does feel too much, you turn it counterclockwise to recoil the blade slightly. Feel it again, and once you're happy, use the second ring to lock it in place. Now remember, there are many different types of vinyls. This means there are several types of thicknesses for the vinyls. We need to constantly make sure we adjust the force accordingly. This means if the blade is extruding too much, it will cut completely through our vinyl. If the blade is fully recoiled, you will not get any cut through our vinyl. Now, from here, all we need to do is put it in our machine. And make sure to tighten firmly. With our blade firmly in place, we can now run a test run. Release the paper, and we can see now that it's cut through. And that's how you install your vinyl cutting blades. Now, a quick tip for those heavy users out there: make sure to constantly keep cleaning your blade. All you do, release your blade, check for any excess residue. What you can then do is remove the shaft of the actual blade holder, check for any excess residue, and clean it out with a bit of thinners. This will make sure that your blade is moving constantly within your blade holder.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products, and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.